Okay, let's talk about life force and the body's magnetic field. Is any of this stuff real? So, does your body actually have an energy field? You hear about it all the time, right?
Well, science sees life force more as a metaphor for everything happening inside you, all that chemistry and electricity.
To really get this, we've got to look at two key ideas. Let's start with the big one. First up, electromagnetism. It's the force behind, well, almost everything: lightning, magnets, even light itself. Now, here's the cool part. Our bodies generate their own version of this. It's called biomagnetism. But, and this is a huge but, the difference in the scale of these two is just astronomical. Seriously, your body's magnetic field is trillions of times weaker than a regular fridge magnet. Wild, right? So one comes from stuff like electric currents, and the other, it comes straight from your own cells. You can see the difference here. One's super strong and easy to detect, the other is incredibly weak.
Okay, so how does this idea of life force actually connect with these fields we can measure?
Well, it's not a direct link. Think of it more like a chain reaction, like dominoes falling. So your overall health, your life force, affects your body's electricity, which then shapes its magnetic field.
Let's make this real. A perfect example is something you've probably heard of: meditation.
When you meditate, your brain's electrical signals start to get way more organized and rhythmic.
And when all those little signals sync up, their magnetic fields combine, making them more coherent.
But here's the shocker. The brain isn't even the biggest magnetic source in your body. Not even close.
Yeah, look at that. The heart's magnetic field is about 5,000 times stronger than the brain's.
Meditation also helps quiet all that electrical noise and gets the heart and brain in sync.
So this is where that ancient idea of a life force kind of meets modern, measurable science. Basically, your life force is pulling the strings, but indirectly by changing your body's electrical activity. So the big question is, if we can measure these changes, what could that mean for the future?